How to create a VRBO account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to VRBO's website. Here, click on Sign In at the top right corner of your screen. Then press on Sign In again. After you press on Sign In here, it will lead you to this page. Here, enter your email. After you've entered your email, press on Continue at the bottom. After you press on Continue, it will lead you to this page. Digit code will be sent to your mail. Open your Gmail, search for VRBO's mail, and copy the code. After you've copied the code, it will lead you to this page here. Enter the code in the website and press on Continue. Then it will lead you to this page. Add your first name and last name and press on Continue. After you've pressed on Continue in here, it will lead you to this page. Here, create a password. After you've created a password, press on Create Password at the bottom. Then it will load for some time, and if you want to add your phone number, add. If not, press on Skip for now, and your account will be created. This is how to create a VRBO account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.